reestablish the bond with their parents. How long your dad been in prison?
Like 6 years.
6 years? When the last time you seen your dad?
Like 2 years ago.
It's a crying shame that, mass incarceration had taken over the community the way it did, and I remain hopeful that they will soften up some of these policies. Hopefully some of these parents can return home and, become, parents again.
Hi, I'm Richard Hoehler, founder of Acting Out, a professional acting company for formerly incarcerated men. The clip that you just saw is from a documentary that aired in 2013, and the fatherless child featured in it is now a member of our company. This past summer, we presented Talk to Me, our first production, and it exceeded our expectations. The audience thought that the men were telling their own stories when in fact they were performing monologues written by world-class playwrights. So we decided our next show should be original, and it's called Inside Out. It opens at the end of this week. And all the material in it was written by incarcerated men and performed by formerly incarcerated actors. The material avoids all of the cliches and misrepresentations that we often see on TV and in movies, and just gives you a look at what life is really like on the inside from men who have actually been there. It's more than a theater experience, it's a human experience, and we really would love to share it with you. And now here's another look at that fatherless child today.
Sometimes I feel like a fatherless child, and nobody knows why I wear this frown. Said I used to hope that he'd come around, 'cause only then I could smile.